Tonight is kind of the taste of what's to come, and you're showing skyscraper level snow that's coming down, but it's not accumulating in Midtown because of the ground temperatures being so mild. It's 35 degrees in town, easterly wind. That's maritime air off the Atlantic. That's why we're advertising temperatures staying above the freezing mark as we head into tonight. But we are seeing a burst of snow, especially around the Hampstead area, Island Park, Fire Island's getting into this, Amityville also getting into the action. Northern State, you're going to see some reduced visibility because of some snowfall coming down, and then you get into the Patterson, Parsippany area. I-80 also could be a little bit of a tripped up visibility as you head into the rest of tonight. Monmouth and Ocean County, it's been going between some big, fat, wet flakes to now rain across Long Branch, Belmar, down towards Avon by the Sea. So this is a storm that's tapping into some stale Arctic air that's placed across the region. And once this system slips offshore by late tonight, we're going to get back into the clearing line as we head towards Monday. Here's your ground temperatures. Again, no concern with stickage on the major roadways, but you could pick up a coating, a slushy coating at that on the car tops, grassy surfaces, that sort of thing that gets a little bit colder. Futurecast is going to show the bandings of snow, especially from the Driscoll Bridge south down towards 195 into Monmouth County. Place like Howell, Manalapan, you're going to see some good snow rates. And then even out towards the island, southern state, you'll pick up a little snow. And then watch how fast the system's out of here. By Monday morning, we're just going to be left with some clouds, cool conditions, temperatures into the 30s. We'll rebound nicely into the low 40s for the afternoon. So slushy coatings at max, you could pick up an inch, especially as you get towards higher elevations north and west of 287. Not much fanfare with this storm, but again, visibility is of concern if you're going to be out tonight. And then it's all about the mild air. We're going to be on the cusp of some really mild air. Look what happens down in D.C. later this week. We'll have 50s and 60s. We're going to tap some of that, but not all of that. So we're going to be on the fringe of this, and that's going to allow for storms to rotate and roll through the region each and every day, unfortunately, as we head into next week. 32 degrees in town. That's why I'm not concerned with flash freezing, 28 to 35 in the outer suburbs. Tomorrow afternoon, we're going to start out with the clouds, a gray day, brighter though as we move through the afternoon, 33 to 40 in the outer suburbs. 7-day forecast, I wish I could sugarcoat this. Okay, I will. How about temperatures not into the teens and 20s? We'll take 40s, which is something we haven't seen at least this long in weeks. 45 on Tuesday. First storm through here on Wednesday, couple scattered showers, and then we'll talk about more storminess as we head into next weekend.